In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send an invoice on Shopify. Shopify makes it easy to create draft orders and send professional invoices directly to your customers. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. Now, sign in to your Shopify account using your email, Google account, or preferred login method. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Shopify admin dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Orders. Inside the Orders section, look for the Drafts or Draft Orders subsection and click on it. Draft orders are useful when you want to manually create an order and send an invoice to a customer before payment is completed. Next, click Create Draft Order. This will open a new draft order page where you can add products or custom items to the invoice. Now click Browse to select products from your Shopify catalog. You can also manually add custom items or services if needed. Once you find the product you want to include, click Add to place it inside the draft order. Next, review the order details such as quantity, pricing, discounts, shipping, or taxes if applicable. After that, look for the Send Invoice button and click on it. Shopify will now open the invoice email settings page. Here, you can enter or confirm the customer's email address and optionally include a custom message with the invoice. Before sending, click Review Invoice to preview the email and payment details. Double-check everything carefully to ensure the invoice information is accurate and professional. Once you're satisfied, click Send Notification or Send Invoice to deliver the invoice to your customer. Your customer will now receive an email containing the invoice along with the payment link to complete the purchase. Using draft orders and invoices in Shopify can help streamline custom orders, wholesale transactions, and manual billing processes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send an invoice on Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.